Yes, my darling daughter, you may hang your clothes on a hickory limb, but don't go near the water. And look what's up front. It's getting to a point where you can't tell whether these bathing girls are really having a good time or just looking for more publicity. Anyway, here's one way to make 4 figures look like a million. Bareback baseball, if you please. Without bats, bases, or umpire, and not much of a uniform. They used to call it anti-eye over. Now it's just anti. Even beach ball gets monotonous. At least the game has been called on account of something or other. It may even be something exciting. Anyway, it's unanimous. Let's tag along and see. Come, girls. Let's get out of here before sundown. Well, that's action. But they're not really as far from the beach as one might think. Many a mountain grows near the seashore, and that turns our little bevy of bathers into mountain mermaids, or snow maids, or something. The girls on the fenders are rust-proof, but so are the fenders, for that matter. Hey, don't start that again. Bullseye!
Once a jitterbug, always a jitterbug. But here's trucking that isn't a dance. It's a new kind of fencing. Out in California, they're trying it out in several inches of water. But down in Florida, they prefer the sand. Tootsies get a real workout in this kind of fencing, and it certainly does things to that avoirdupois. Ah, what a pretty miss. Right past the shoulder. This is a sport that demands a good eye, nimble feet, and speedy flips of a strong wrist. Here's a carload of prospective students. Come on, girls, let the Florida State Women's Champ show you how to become a good duelist in one easy lesson, maybe. It's a lot of fun, and besides, it's a swell way to keep your figure slim. That ought to get them. There's really nothing to it. Just parry, thrust, riposte, and counter-riposte. And if that doesn't work, use a time thrust and the redoublement. If that doesn't work, just duck and pray. She cuts a pretty figure all right, but not with a blade. There are kibitzers in every crowd, and there are ways to fix them. Come on, you gals, give Susie the works. This isn't fencing, but it's fun. This young lady is all wet, or will be in just a minute. Zwei, dry. That's not ducking, that's dunking. Careful of Susie's new finger wave. And this started out to be a simple lesson on how to reduce. So long, Susie. Got your roller skates? This is one fencing lesson where somebody really got stuck.